Hi, it's Lynette here. So I just thought I'd pop on and do a quick video. So this is my first ever purchase with this brand. Apparently it's like the new Wish. It's called Temu, T-E-M-U or Temu. I'm probably pronouncing it incorrectly. So you download the app and then it gives you lots of offers. I only had to pay for 2 of these items and everything was really cheap. Now, it is cheap, so it's not going to be the highest of quality, but I'm just looking for some storage solutions for in the house. One item was cracked in delivery and I need to contact them to find out what I do about that. So I can update you on that later. However, I was really pleased with everything that arrived. I got 2 items within a week and then the other 5 arrived like the following week. So it didn't take any more than like a week and a half, 2 weeks to arrive. So I was quite surprised by how quick it came. And as I say, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I only paid for like 5 of these items. No, I didn't. I paid for 2 of these items and got 5 free. So I'm just going to show you what I got. So the first one is a rechargeable electric fan. So what I like about them, this, is it has a little, it comes with the USB. There you go. And this is what it looks like. I just thought that might be nice to sit on my desk and you can kind of angle it. You know, it's not going to be the same as having a big fan obviously, but you just press the wee button and it comes on. It's actually quite a good speed. So it arrives with some charge in it. Oh, it gets faster and faster and then off. So it's got 3 speeds. It's actually really nice. It's not too overpowering, but I think that would be quite nice when I'm having one of my tropical moments, as my husband now likes to call them. I also got another one. I got free shipping as well. I think they might do free shipping on everything. There's not, there doesn't seem to be a minimum price for you to have to pay to get the free shipping. So this is a handheld one, a little handheld charger, but it does also come with a little base if you want to pop it on the base and sit it on your desk. Again, it comes with the little charger, but I think if you had an Apple charger it would work as well. So a wee button and 3 speeds as well. So that'd be quite nice if you were kind of going on holiday or you were sitting outside or you were having a tropical moment in your house. So I was really chuffed with those. Don't know how long they'll last, but hey ho. Give it a bash. But I was pleased. Those were the first 2 items that arrived. I'll show you the broken item first. I built this up. I've probably done it wrong because it looks a bit skew-with. Yeah, I've probably done it wrong. So you can see there's a crack there and there's a crack here. That was just when it was delivered. So you build it up. It does look a bit skew-with, so I've probably done something completely wrong. Or maybe it's not helped with the crack. So I will get in touch with them. However, I'm not really bothered what it looks like. It's just to shove it in Stephen's wardrobe. To put his bits and pieces on it. But yeah, I definitely think the crack's affected how it sits. But it'll still do the job. So it's got like a kind of lazy Susan there. But I'll let you know how I get on with getting a replacement. I also ordered this because I thought, you know, this would be good for if you had any arts and crafts, for your makeup, for bits and pieces, for your office, for your stationery. It's got little drawers. I wasn't sure how deep they were going to be, so I thought I could actually put my nail polishes in those, and the ones that I'm using on top, so that way I could see them. We'll see. We'll see how I get on with that one. You know if you'll see it in a future video if I use it for that. Now this next one is a little travel bag. I like the colour because it was pink, but it says Rose of No Man's Land. So God knows what that's all about. But anyway, you open it up and it's a little flat lay bag. So I thought that might be quite good for my makeup and my bits and pieces. Because I do have a flat lay bag, but I thought I'll give this one a bash. Because normally I empty out my makeup bag, the makeup goes everywhere, or if I've got my other bag that Steve got me, it bunches with it's got like a little bit that you pull the rope together and then you put the toggle down. But I thought, oh, this might be quite good, especially for if you're travelling as well. You can just open it up and see everything. However, because of the design, I'm not sure how well it all closes together. So I can kind of keep you posted on how I get on with this one, actually using it. And how much you can actually realistically fit in, or if it goes all over the place, I will let you know. But I thought for free, I'm not going to complain at that. This next one, you can definitely see I was on the storage idea. Great if you've got kids that are into arts and crafts, or for their stationery, or for yourself, for your makeup. I don't even know what I'm going to use this for, but it's got a couple of little drawers as well. So I kind of thought that would be quite good for storage. And again, one of the things with ADHD is you have a thing called object permanence, where if you don't see it, it doesn't exist. So for me, I kind of keep all my stuff in the cupboard in the bathroom. I know it's all there, but for my son, if it's all put away in a drawer or a cupboard, he'll forget about it. I didn't buy this for him, but I can see it kind of going in his wardrobe to kind of keep some of his stuff. And last but not least, I've seen loads of these. They're kind of like perfume trays or makeup trays. But it spins round. So you could put all your perfumes on it, or you could put your spices on it. You could keep this in your cupboard, in your fridge, like a little mini Lazy Susan. But I thought, well, I like that. So you wouldn't have to pull it in and out to see what was in the back. You could just turn it round. So yeah, so that was my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. So let me know if you've ordered anything. I'll definitely be popping on for some bits and pieces. Fancy some, you know, kind of just like the bits that you pick up from Poundland and stuff like that. So if I get another haul or I order anything else, I'll show you. I'll let you know how I get on with that broken item. As I say, I can still use it. It's just going in a cupboard. Nobody's going to see it. I'm not really bothered. Again, it's not the kind of quality. If you were to go to somewhere like John Lewis or Lakeland, you're going to get something much better quality. But it does what I need it to do anyway. So even if they're not great with a kind of returning it, refunding it, replacing it, whatever, I've not lost anything at all. But yeah, I was a bit unsure whether to try it because I'd never heard of it before. But yeah, as soon as my husband saw the bag, he went, oh, that's supposed to be like the new Wish. I was like, all right, is it? And he loves ordering bits and pieces from Wish. But the storage, if you've got kids, I think it would be brilliant. Or if you've got loads of makeup and you just want to shove it in the cupboard. If you wanted it out on display, you might want something a bit better quality. But as far as I'm concerned, it's going in the cupboard, it'll do the job. So let me know, have you been tempted to go on? When you download the app, you get lots of offers. So I think I got, was it 50% off? And then I got to spin a wheel, I got 2 items for free, and then I ended up getting 5 items for free and 70% off. And so it is worthwhile having a wee look if you fancy some little kind of miscellaneous bits and pieces. As I say, I've not tried any of them out. The quality feels alright for what it is, to be honest with you. It's just the kind of things that you would have picked up from somewhere like Poundland or B&M. So anyway, I'm going to go because it's now, I don't know when I'll post this, but it's Friday night, it's about 8:30, and I'm going to go have a cup of coffee and put my feet up. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.